Hi friends, welcome to my channel Math Olympiad Questions and Answers. Today we are discussing about mirror images. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more Math Olympiad questions and answers. First of all, what is a mirror image? Mirror image an image or object which is identical in form to another but with the structure reversed as in a mirror. So, first observe this image, something that looks like something else but with its left and right sides reversed. See here, see, left and right just changed but down and up not changed. Just see, C is turned, this C is turned like this. Just left and right changed. Here also see, observe N left will changed as right and right will changed as left. Here also see, observe R, left is changed as right and right is changed as left. See here 0 to 9 numbers and alphabets A to Z alphabets mirror images are there. Here observe red letters and numbers are identifies the red color. See 0, 8, A. This red color number and letters are identifies the same image. For example, mirror image of 0 is 0, mirror image of A is A. Means no change in the mirror image in this letter or in this number. There is no change at all. Observe like these numbers O, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Sorry, Z not, up to Y. So these 0 and 8 also not changed. So we'll continue for the next. See, observe this image. So children who are interested, take your rough books and practice with, try to do with me, find out the answer, then click for the pause the video and click for the answer. So just pause the video and write the answer in the comment box and try for the solution. Next, play for the solution. So first to find out this. Sorry. For this diagram, find out what is the mirror image. Here, left and right will change. Up and down not changed. So here in this first option, up down will change. So this is not. And here two dots are ticked. So this is not. And here two dots are not shaded. So this one not. So the answer is this. Let's see the answer. So answer is 3. Like that you will do. Then go for the next video, next option. See here also left and right will be changed. See in this find out in this second option up and down will change it. So this is not, this one also not, this is angle changed. So this one also not. So the answer is this one. And observe this here, cross and dot. In this option dot and cross, just left and right only will change. So the correct answer is 1. Next, so mirror image of this one. So observe here, mirror is here, placed here. So find out this side image. So here also left and right only changed. See here this arrow right side. So in this mirror image, this arrow will come into the left side. So here also right side is there. So this is not. In this option, left, left, left. So in 2, 3 and 4, in third option, two shaded parts are in one side. So this is not correct. And these shaded parts in right side, but in mirror image it will come in left side. So here see as it is left side is there, so this one also not correct. So second is the answer. Here see shaded part comes to the left side, so the answer is 2. Next, see in this what is the correct answer? Children, do with me and comment your answer in the comment box. Here mirror image of this. See this symbol appear in right side in the question. So find out the answer. This one comes down. So this is wrong. This one also comes down. So this is not an answer. So find out in these two what is the correct answer. See this one right side. So here left this also 2 3 options looks like same. So find out which one. In the second option, observe these horizontal lines are 8, but in this third option horizontal lines are 9. Observe clearly, then it will come. So the correct answer is 2. Next, see here these lines. So find out the mirror image of this diagram. Here up to waves are there. In this first diagram only one, so wrong. So second option also not correct. In these 2, 3 and 4, two waves are in up. But observe here in this question diagram, these triangles are like right angle triangle. But in third option, one triangle is equilateral triangle and other triangle is right angle. So third option is not correct. So observe the fourth option. These two are right angle triangle and just changing the direction from left to right. So the correct option is 4. Next, so find out the mirror image of this. See, Mn is a mirror. Find out the mirror image of this diagram. Answer question figure is right side. Find out the answer figure in left side. So diagram is changing from this direction to this direction. So first option wrong. Second option, second and third are looks like the same, and fourth option also wrong. And second and third are turning the direction, and these lines turn this side. But here in this third option, these lines are down. So this is wrong option. The second option is the correct. Next, seventh one, find out the mirror image of this. So in this diagram, mirror image comes from this direction. So find out in this first one, in this circle, in the question diagram, circle is left side. So we expecting the answer right side. So here observe this third option is the right side. So remaining all changed the diagram up and down. So this is wrong option. This one wrong option. This one diagram itself changed. So wrong. So the answer is third. Next, in the star, two in the star two are shaded. So find out the mirror image, and the mirror is placed in down A and B. So the mirror image comes like this. So up and down changed. So this thick shaded part goes up. So observe these three 1, 2, 3 options. Shaded part not there. Here same down. So this one not an correct answer. This one not. And this one also not an correct option. This one going up. So we think fourth option is the correct answer. So next question. Find out the mirror image of this. So mirror image comes like this. The image turn from left to right. So in this 1, 2, 3 options, all three are turning the same direction. But in this fourth one as it is as question figure. So this is not an answer. And in third one, the lines are horizontal. But in question figure, vertical lines there. So this is also not a correct answer. And observe these 1 and 2. These dots, observe these dots. Here more gap is there. In this first option, in these dots, no gap at all. So on option 2 is the correct answer. So option 1 is also wrong option. So next, so find out the mirror image of this diagram. So mirror image comes in this direction. So this round eye comes left side. Observe the answer figures. So first one as it is as question, so wrong. Second one also wrong. See third and fourth options. This round eye comes to the left side. So this and this fourth diagram changing the up and down. So this one also no correct wrong option. So third option is the correct answer. So answer is third. Next, go for the next question. 11th one. In this question figure, so mirror image comes in this direction. So turning left to right. So here observe one flag is there that is showing right side. And so in this mirror image, this one turn to left side. So first option flag is left, and second third option also flag is in left direction. But in second and fourth flag is in same direction. So this is not. So first and third diagrams observe. Here tree turning right side. So but in answer figure it will turn to the left side. So one also wrong answer. So the answer is third option. Next, in this triangle, shading and lines and one empty. So mirror image comes in this direction. So observe second option here empty. So this one wrong. Just left and right only will change. So this darkness is come this side and lines shading lines come left side. So darkness here and lines here. Observe third option. Third option, darkness lines. So fourth option, as it is the question diagram. So this is wrong. Observe these 1 and 2. In question figure, how the lines are there as it is lines observed in option 3. So 1 also wrong option. Next, see in this question figure, mirror image comes like this. So this arrow in left side. So in answer figure, this arrow will come in right side. So where is see observe this third one, up and down changing. So wrong answer. This is also direction changed. So the wrong answer. And just observe 1 and 2 options. So this arrow left side. So in our answer figure, mirror image, it will come to the right side. So the answer is first option. In answer to same as it is question diagram, how it is same answer diagram. So this is also not correct answer. So the option is 1. Children doing to with me or not? Comment your answers in the comment box. Next, see this image, find out the mirror image of this diagram. So mirror image comes like this. So this triangle in right side. So in mirror image, this triangle appears right side. So in first option, wrong as it is the question diagram. So fourth option is something different. So this is not an answer. And second option, third option also triangle same direction. So this is also not an answer. So remaining one only the second answer is the option. Next, here circle and triangle, right angle triangle is there. So mirror image comes in this direction. So triangle changing the left and right directions. So this circle in question figure left side, but in answer figure it will come to the right side. So in second option, same as it is the question diagram. So this is not an answer. And third one, place of the circle and triangle changed. So this is also not an correct option. Circle in fourth also circle in same. So not correct answer. In first option, circle changing to the right side and triangle changing to the left. So this is the mirror image of the diagram. So the answer is 1. Next question. So mirror image of this image. How to find out? See 1, 2, 3, 4 options. In third option, arrow not there. So this is not an answer. In fourth option, dots not there. So this is also not an option. You observe first and second answers. See this curve left side. So in mirror image, this curve turn like this. So in first option, this curve is like this. So first option is the correct answer. Second option is as it is the question figure. So this is also not a correct answer. So answer 1 is the correct option. Next one. So try the mirror image of this diagram. See in this diagram, just this one turn this side, that's it. In this question diagram, the third option is not an answer. Fourth option And see the first option, this angle direction also changes, so this is also not an option. Then check the second and fourth option. Second also something different than that of the question figure, so this one also not an option. So fourth one, observe this angle changing that side, this one turning this side. So fourth is the correct option. Sorry, here the answer is 4. Next, question diagram. Then find the mirror image of this. So observe first one, changing this diagram up and down. So this is not an correct answer. And the second one, also not a correct answer. Just third one. Here how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So this one also correct and wrong option. So the answer is 4. See in these lines starting from left to right. So in this option, here right to left. So here left to right to left. So moving in this direction, here moving in this direction. So the correct answer is 4. Next, see this cube, observe this cube. Here up single dot, side 2 dots there. So up single dot as it is will come in mirror image. So 1, 2, 3, 3 options up single dot, but in fourth option double dot. So fourth option is not an answer. And this triangle showing up direction, in this first showing down direction, so this is not correct option. And in this third option also this triangle showing down direction, so this is also not an option. So the correct option is 2. See this triangle as it is will come, just these 2 dots will come to this side. So the correct answer is 2. Next, observe this diagram carefully. This arrow this side. So in this mirror image, this arrow coming this side. So in this first option, arrow is here same as question figure. So this is not an option. In these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, these arrows moving from this direction, this direction. So observe the remaining things. Observe these remaining things, 2 dots as it is there. So carefully observe this triangle shade in left side. So in question answer figure, this triangle shade will come right side. See, observe. So in third option, same as it is in question figure. So wrong. In second and fourth options, here same as it is as it is there. So observe this side. This one turn going this side. So this thick part come this side. So observe in fourth option, this thick shade is going this side. So second option is the wrong answer. Fourth option is the correct option. So fourth option is correct option. Thank you children. Thanks for watching my video, and please watching same and continue the practice with me like this. And please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more like this practice. Thank you.